Do you want to add another plier into your toolbox? Let me show you what Ingco's got for you. Hi guys, this is Khalil from Toolmania, and as always we talk Ingco tools. So here in Toolmania we have different pliers for different jobs. All these are different types of pliers. We've got the normal combination pliers, we've got the cutting pliers, the pump pliers, different sizes, 12 inch, 16 inch, 10 inch, 8 inch. We've got end cutting pliers, fencing pliers. We have a very special type of pliers. These pliers, hii ni heavy duty compound action pliers. Compound action inamaanisha you use 65% less energy. Hey guys, siwezi kuonesha zote. Kuja hapa Lusaka Road na utapata display kibao ya pliers zote. Ingco, kila kitu iko.